What is going on, guys? Today we're talking about the DJI Osmo Action and all the accessories you can get to make this guy even better. So get with me, we're gonna go outside and check them out. We're gonna test a lot of them and see how they perform. So I'll see you in a second. All right guys, we're in the park now. We're gonna get the accessories for the Osmo Action and we're gonna film around. Let's get onto it. Back in the studio now with the Osmo Action and accessories. You guys see we tested on many things. We got some of the ND filters tested out, pliers to remove the ND filters, a couple of gimbals, tried some other things. We got plenty more to test in the future in different conditions, but for now, at least we got some of them. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new. If you want to see some more videos in the future, support me. I'm gonna try to do more and more in the future. There's plenty of hardware I have right here in my possession that I'm way behind time to test. Thank you. You have a wonderful day and I'll see you next time.